Tegeler Audio was really kind to send me over yet another unit to review, which is in this box right now. I've already reviewed the Roundside machine and the Crème RC from Tegeler, which I both really like. Of course for separate reasons, but also because they both are remote controllable and easily recallable. What is in this box isn't recallable, but it's a very interesting product. And yeah, let's take a look. So here we go again. Tegeler Audio Manufactuur. They really spent some effort in packaging everything right. I really like how these boxes look. My girlfriend doesn't really like them, but yeah. Let's get the box out of here. Like this, and let's see what we have in here. All right, it's the Magnetismus version 2. So we've got the user manual in here. So I still do not fully understand what this thing is about and how it works. So that's something that I'm going to discover in the next few weeks. But what I do know is that it is all about, well, what the name says, magnetism. And whenever audio gets magnetic, magic happens. It's really interesting, and there are basically two ways audio can get magnetic. The first one is on analog tape. That's a magnetic signal that is on the tape. And the second one is audio transformers. So an audio transformer literally makes the electrical signal magnetic, and then on the other side back to electrical signal again. And whenever you do that, you know, some really nice things happen to your sound. Cool thing, by the way, what is always in the box at Tegeler are these cloth rings to protect your equipment. These are really high end and really really soft. So I don't think they like scratched front plates. A lot of merchandise. A Tegeler Audio branded piece of cloth to clean your equipment. A European power cable, which we're going to need, and of course the Magnetismus. It's really tightly packed. All right, let me put this back in, and this as well. That's it. Let me show it. It has I don't know. It has a bypass. That's good. It has threshold, timing, so that should be attack and release or something. Ratio, which is stepped but has really small steps. This is also stepped, by the way. This is all. Oh, everything is stepped. That's cool. We've got makeup gain, we've got intensity, and we've got 3 different settings for the flux mode, which is Eisen, Cobalt und Nickel. And we've got output. We've got a very nice view meter, and of course an on and off switch. And a label that says that everything has been checked, so that's cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it up to my system, work with it for a few weeks, and then tell you guys all about my thoughts of this unit in a review video. So while I'm trying to get this thing a little bit better opened like this, yeah, this is better, I'm going to kindly ask you guys to subscribe if you want to see the review of this thing. I'm quickly going to plug my Patreon campaign over here, where you can get early access to videos like this one. And of course another video if you want to keep watching. Thanks a lot for watching, keep pushing, and bye bye.